Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am so excited to have you today. Let's go ahead and clean, declutter, and organize my home work office. My name is Cori, and here on my channel I do cleaning, decluttering, and organization, as well as telling you guys a little bit about my multiple sclerosis journey along the way. If you have come over from my old channel, thank you so much for taking the time to come over here. I hope that you choose to subscribe. If you are new here and you are just finding my channel on pure luck, I hope that something in this video and something on my channel inspires you. I cannot wait to get to know each and every one of you. I would absolutely love to chat with you in the comments. So let me know you are here watching. Let me know what it is that you are doing while you are watching this video. So today we are going to be cleaning, decluttering, and organizing every single space in my work office. And the reason being is because my family and I will be moving across the country in 2 months. So all of the content that you will see here on my channel will be all of that plus so much more, and I cannot wait to share it. If you guys have any questions for me regarding a little bit more about me, the things that I am using, just questions that you have for me, please leave them in the comment section down below. That way I will get to them. I will also love if you guys would put some questions in the comments, asking me more in-depth information about myself and or the move. Anything you want to know, ask it in the comments, and I will be doing a video once I get at least 30 questions in the comments. I will be doing a video while cleaning, answering those Q&A questions. Alrighty guys, I'm going to stop chatting. I'm going to let you enjoy this video, listen to the music, put me up on your TV, your computer, or your cell phone while you're getting your cleaning done. And I am so thankful for each and every one of you guys. Love you and have a great Okay guys, we are at the end of this video. You guys are amazing. Thank you for sticking it out with me. In an upcoming video, I will be cleaning the kitchenette in my basement, and I cannot wait for you guys to see the end result. Thank you so much for being here. I hope that you choose to subscribe. Make sure you ring that notification bell, give my video a thumbs up, and show me some love in the comments. I cannot wait to chat. Have a beautiful weekend. Bye guys.